What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. As you would have just seen by those saucy B-roll shots, that the Ls1 is finally back on all four. Give it another run up this morning, just checked a few things over. Oil pressure's still sweet and everything. Oh no, the mic fell off. Hold on. Alright, we're back. So the plan is we're going to chuck the car on the trailer, whiz it over to the old man's, put it up on the hoist, just give it a check over underneath. I've never actually had this car even on a hoist, so just be interested to have a look. He also has a nice big concrete pad there so we can check it, make sure it's all working and sweet, you know, give the bearings a good break in. Without further ado, I suppose we'll get this thing loaded on the trailer. There we go, so just gave it a good look over up on the hoist, and there was actually a couple of bits. There was the plug on the diff was a bit loose, and a couple other things were a bit loose and needed nipping up. And I made a bit of a list on my phone to go through when I get home, just like long-term stuff. So, no, don't wet it. Toyota owners, eh? So then we're just going to give it a quick test. Alrighty guys, so after that burnout, I forgot to record it, but there was actually a real bad sort of top end noise on the left hand bank, the drinker side bank, right at the back, and I'm pretty sure it's just a lifter because it's got a bit of a misfire since that noise has come up as well, so I wonder if it's got a collapsed lifter. Pretty much everything I can homework on it is leaning towards it being a bad lifter, and I could have damaged something when I ran it with no oil pressure. So, and it still had good oil pressure and everything when I shut it off because I fired it back up with the noise and stuff, just to have a listen to it. But unfortunately I haven't had time to shoot back over there and go have a look and diagnose it because I wanted to put that in this video as well. But it's probably going to be another week or so before I can get over there. So I'm going to leave it for this video for now. Cheers for checking this out guys, and we'll catch you in the next one.